Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to my channel, The Bucky Coder. In this video, we will discuss some important topic of props. Basically, it is a second part of our previously uploaded React props video. So, if you missed this video, please go to my React playlist and watch it. This will help you to understand this video in a better way. So, without wasting much time, let's start. So, in our previous video, we have covered all props basic theories. We will understand how to pass a props, how to get the props inside a children component, how to specify a default value for a props. Today, we will understand a very important topic of props, that is passing JSX as a children. So, whenever we write some code in our HTML, we use tag nesting in multiple places. Like here you can see, here is a div tag. Into this div tag, there is a image tag. This is a very common phenomena for HTML tags. And in our previous videos, we understood that React component are written in the same manner like a HTML tag. The nesting is also applicable for our React components. Here you can see there is a component named card. It is basically a React component. And within the card component, there is another component named avatar. It is basically a children component of the card component. Both are React components. And the avatar basically the children of card. Okay, that is the primary and simple theory of children. And whatever you wrap by the card component, that is the parent component, maybe there are multiple child component is here, maybe avatar 1, avatar 2, avatar 3. Those all are wrapped into the children props within the card component. Okay, that is the basic theory of children. So our next topic is forwarding props with the JSX spread syntax. Sometime there might be a component that gets some props from its parent component, and this particular component may have a children component within it, and there might be some scenario when the props it get from its parent component have no usage in its, those props have a usage of its child component. So you have to pass all props to its child component without using it within this particular component. So in this scenario, this particular spread syntax is useful. Like in this example, you can see there is a profile component. It gets some props from its parent component. And you can see these props have no usage to its particular profile component. All props need to pass to the avatar component. Avatar is its child component. So you need to pass all props to avatar. Here you can use the spread syntax. It gives you a good coding structure within your project. So those are two important topics for today. And now we will go to our project, and implement those two topics in our project to make you understand in a better way. So let's go. So it is our project that we have made in our previous videos. So let's start our project first. npm run dev. So basically, this is our project where we made a basic gallery. Here you can see there are some multiple cards. Within this card, there are some pictures is there. So it is our app component where we made a my image component that provides all our images. Okay, from our gallery data we have mapped our my image component. So in my image component, that is into our component, you can see there is a div that creates our card. So in this video I will create a separate component name card dot jsx. Okay, so const card is a functional component that will return something that is our card, that's mean the div. Okay, the div and export default this card. And within the card component, as per our theory, we will pass our children. Okay, so props here we will pass our children, that is props dot children. Okay, save it, and for my image I will delete this div. It will only return image now. Okay, so let's go to our app.jsx and import our card component, and I will wrap the my image with our card component. Okay, and I have wrapped the my image with our card component, right? And within the card component I have passed this my image component with the props.children into this div, right? So save it, and you can see the project is remains same. Okay, now if I comment out this card component and only let the my image, you can see the border has gone because the image is rendered directly. But whenever I pass this my image, sorry, pass this my image as a children of card, this my image is passing through this particular div, and the my image is passing through this props.children. And here into the card component, you can pass multiple components as you wish. That is the basically concept children in React. Okay. Now, if I create another component, name my gallery image, right? Const my gallery image. That will return something. Okay. And export default my gallery image, right? And it will get some props from its parent component, right? Now, without using my image directly, I can use my gallery image instead of my image. So let's import my gallery image, right? And in place of my image, let's replace it with my gallery image that gets all props that my image got in our past video, right? And go to our my gallery image. Here, let's import my image here. Okay, and just compose my image in this particular component. Okay, so all the props that passes through the app component like src and src that need to be passed to the my image. This props has no usage in our my gallery image. So here we can use our rest operator like props. Okay, just save it and save it here and go to our project. See, our projects are working fine. That is basically a method to pass our props. Here my gallery image basically an intermediate component that have our my image component. We have passed some props like src to our my gallery image, and in our my gallery image we got those props and we will pass those all props through rest operator to our my image component. Basically in the my image component there is a image that takes src and alt that we have created in our previous video. That is a basic concept of props. So the last important thing is that props are immutable, that is unchangeable. You cannot change the props you get from your parent component within your component. It is only changed by the parent component. Whenever you need to change something that is passed through the props, that need to change to the parent component. Okay, that may be a different props, a different object actually it is. And when the props will change and it will pass a new object, the previous props will cast aside, and eventually the JavaScript engine will reclaim the memory that taken by them. Okay, that is the basic fundamental things of props. I hope you guys liked it. If you like it, please like my video and subscribe my channel. We will see again in our next video. Thank you.